Hi y'all. Happy 4th of July. Today is July the 3rd and I'm preparing my ribs. Okay, so I just want to show y'all before I actually get started seasoning. I got 4 slabs. St. Louis ribs. And can y'all see how I slashed the back membrane of the ribs? I don't pull it off. I just slash it. Crisscross it. Like that. So y'all can get a good idea of how I do. Okay, and these are the seasonings I'll be using. Of course, my yellow mustard. One of my honeys blessed me with this big giant thing of yellow mustard, and I bought this pump on Amazon. It fits nicely. I'll be using Worcestershire sauce, my black pepper, chili, New Mexican chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, basil, sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub, the sweet mesquite seasoning, and my Old Bay seasoning. So these 3 have salt in them. And I'll be vacuum sealing them after I season them, so they can marinate in the refrigerator overnight. Here are my bags. And that's my vacuum sealer back there. And I cut each slab in half, so it's easier for me to handle. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm going to show y'all how I vacuum sealed this after I seasoned it. I'm staying out the camera on purpose. I ain't presentable. This is the way it looks. I put the meat sides together in the bag and the membrane sides on the outside. But I seasoned everything. So I'm putting this in the little chamber in the vacuum sealer. I'm just going to vacuum it a little bit. This is called the Pendu vacuum sealer. So I'm going to press the vacuum seal part. Just going to shrink it a little. Okay, it ain't moving. Let me see what's going on. Put it back some. Okay. Make sure both sides are snapped down. Okay, now it's shrinking. Y'all see. No. I don't want to do it all the way.
What you doing?
Now I'm going to seal. I'm going to seal it. So that helps the marinade go all the way through the meat faster. So all the lights are off. So I'm going to unlock it. See the seal. Okay, let me show you the others. So like I said, I have 4 slabs. I've already done these. One. Two. 3. That's the 4th one that I just showed you. Let me raise this up. Oh, I can't see that. I don't want to get in the camera. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, I pulled the tripod back so y'all can see. I'm going to stick these in the refrigerator. All the messy work is done. And these are not going to mess up my refrigerator because they're contained. Nothing dripping. And how I use this yellow mustard. Y'all see the mustard right there? Put my glove on and I got a couple pumps in my gloved hand and I just rubbed it on the meat. This is much easier than steady squeezing out them little bottles of mustard. And I looked this up to see how long mustard would last in the outside of the refrigerator. They said a couple months, but it lasts up to a year in the refrigerator. So I use a lot of mustard, so that won't be a problem. Okay. I will get back with you all when I'm actually barbecuing tomorrow. Okay, bye. You see that hand? Somebody said they liked your hand. You had lovely hands. That's my daughter, Nicole. You look presentable. You can get on camera if you want to.
Okay. All right. Hello. Hi.
I won't see your face.
Hello, honeys. How are you? I'm doing well. I'm glad to be here with my mother. I feel like a celebrity being on her channel right now. And I'm looking at these ribs and they're looking good. Can't wait. It's going to be some good eating.
Yep.
Y'all take care. Happy 4th.
Okay. Bye, y'all.